Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you how to check your graphics card memory in Windows PC. So but before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right click on it, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to Start Manager. So click on that, and a window like this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to Performance from the top right here. Then this is going to pump up, and the next thing you need to do is to simply look for GPU. Click on that, and you have your graphics card memory details right here. So this PC right here is 5.500 gig of graphics card detail. So you can see this is for 3D section. So this means that these are all stuff that you can run on this particular PC. So you can scroll down and read detail about the graphics card. Then GPU memory right here is 3.9, and right here you have driver version, which is this. You have driver date, and you have DirectX version, physical location, etc. Shared GPU memory is 0.6 by 3.9. Whichever way, this is depends on the kind of software or apps that you have on your PC and what exactly you are using your PC to do. That will determine the functionality of the graphics card. But for you to know the aggregate value of the graphics card you have on your PC, this is how, and this is the best way to get it done. Hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.